Are you looking for the best alarm clocks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best alarm clocks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jall Wooden Digital Alarm Clock. The Jall Wooden Alarm Clock is a stylish alarm clock that looks much more expensive than it is. A digital display is overlaid on a minimalist wooden face, and you can adjust the brightness levels as needed. You can also enable power-saving modes so that the display will only appear when it registers sounds or when you touch it. Set up to 3 alarms, and program a weekday mode so that the alarm only comes on Monday to Friday. "I absolutely love this alarm clock," said one Amazon reviewer. "We purchased it for a spare room but liked it so much we moved it to our bedroom. It's attractive and stylish. I love its 3 brightness levels and that you can turn the display off so that it's only sound or touch activated. I also really appreciate the temperature and humidity displays. 1. Like this clock so much I will probably purchase another one soon." Number 2. DreamSky Compact Digital Alarm Clock. The DreamSky Compact Digital Alarm Clock is simple but effective. The 2-inch LED digits are large enough to see from across the room, and you can easily set the brightness from 0 to 100 with a wheel on the rear panel. The alarm sound can be adjusted, and there's an on-off switch if you want to disable it on the weekends. A USB charging port lets you juice up your phone while you sleep. "This clock is perfect for what I wanted," said one 5-star review. "It is small, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. The numbers are large and bright so I can see the time in the middle of the night without my glasses. The time was easy to set right out of the box. It comes with the USB cord plus the electric plug. Most don't include that. It takes 2 AAA batteries in case of power outage, so you won't lose your alarm settings. It is surprisingly heavy and well built, so it will not be knocked over." Number 3. Loftie Smart Alarm Clock. This is a potentially life-changing investment. Instead of blasting you with sound, the Loftie has a 2-phase, wake-up call alarm that plays a softer sound at first and then an extra louder alarm later. We're talking soothing sounds, too, like chirping birds and morning bells. It's also one of a few alarm clocks that will help you go to sleep as well, with soundscapes, meditations and bedtime stories designed to help you gently drift towards slumber. Loftie has been such a game-changer for me," raved one shopper. "At first I was skeptical about investing in a smart alarm clock, but after seeing what a difference it's made in my quality of sleep, I can confidently say it's more than worth it. I've struggled with bouts of insomnia and fatigue for years, and this smart alarm clock has been huge in helping me initiate and maintain healthier sleep habits." Number 4. Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock. The Hatch Restore will help you doze off to sleep and uses a gentle wake-up method in the morning with the help of soothing sounds and lights. It's an all-in-one sleep-wake machine and our best sunrise alarm clock that works even for deep sleepers. It offers soothing sounds and calming lights to help you drift off to sleep, plus a light sunrise simulator alarm clock that will gently wake you with a gradually brightening glow. On top of that, it has a soft glow reading light to help you doze off. It also comes with a free trial for the Hatch Plus, an optional in-app subscription that gives you unlimited access to meditations, sleep stories, soundscapes and more. "This thing is a game-changer," raved one 5-star review. "I am one of the heaviest sleepers ever. You could crash a truck through the wall and I wouldn't wake up, most of the time. Also, I'm not a morning person. I've tried every manner of alarm available. I don't hear the alarm sounds or feel any of the vibration from the wearables. I do have one that shocks my wrist and I do wake up, but mostly out of panic and not 100% of the time. Sometimes I'll still sleep through it. I've been using it for about a week now and I haven't overslept once. This is usually a 3-4x/week occurrence, making me late for work. This is a lovely, natural way to wake up. Makes for a very peaceful morning and I don't feel the need to hit snooze. Would absolutely purchase again." Number 5. Philips Norelco SmartSleep Wake Up Light. The Philips SmartSleep aims to wake you up more naturally by simulating sunrise along with 5 different wake-up sounds inspired by nature. Wake to the sunrise with this brilliant invention that rouses you with light and nature sounds. A glow, which begins 30 minutes before your set time, starts as a soft dawn-like reddish-orange and builds gradually, waking you slowly and gently. There's also a sunset mode that will gradually dim the lights as you go to sleep. It even doubles as a bedside reading lamp thanks to its 10 brightness settings. According to one digital age renegade, I got it because I got tired of being owned by my phone. It used to be the last thing I checked before going to bed, and the first thing I would check in the morning. No more. Now I can leave the phone charging across the room, or in a handbag even. Who cares? I can set this for the sun to set at 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes later. So I set it, and I get in bed and read a book for an hour. Then the sun goes down gradually, and I go to bed. 8 hours later, the sun starts coming up gradually. So gradually that at the beginning you don't even notice.